Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's session, we'll be tuning into our sensations, learning to pay deeper attention, and to be present with ourselves. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Straighten your back without tensing or hardening it. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let your arms and hands rest easily. And if you're sitting in a chair or on a sofa, take a moment to place your feet flat to the floor. Allow your forehead to relax. And do the same for your lips, your jaw. Soften your entire face. And now, turn your attention to your breath and narrow in a little to the flow of your breath as it enters and exits the nostrils. Notice the cool air as the breath moves in through the opening of your nose and the warmth of your breath as it moves out. Observe how it feels. You might notice that your breath is prickly or rugged or smooth. Or maybe your inhales and exhales make a particular sound as they move through your nostrils. Perhaps you notice a taste to your breath. There's no right or wrong here. There are only sensations, exactly as they are. Continue for a few moments to observe your breath as it enters and leaves the nostrils. Now gently turn your attention to your hands. Tune into the skin on the back of your hands, on your fingers, in your palms. As you allow your hands to fully soften, become aware of any sensations here. You might notice a tingling sensation. Or perhaps you feel a pulsing. Or a vibration. Notice if your hands feel warm or cool. And once more, without judgment, simply observe the sensations that are present in your hands. Welcome them all. And now, gently guide your awareness to your feet. In particular, notice the place where your feet connect to the ground. Feel the tops of your feet. And now the bottoms of your feet, the soles. Notice if you can feel each and every one of your 10 toes. And see if you can tune into the sensations that are present there. Perhaps you'll notice if your feet are warm or cold. Maybe they feel heavy. Do your feet feel grounded? What other sensations are present for you? Now take a few moments here, noticing the wealth of sensations in your feet. And now return to your breath once more. As you stay present to your inhales and exhales, allow your attention to widen so that it includes your whole body. Without searching them out, simply notice any sensations that are present. Certain sensations might appear very strong, while others will be subtler. See if you can follow them as they shift and change. And for these next few moments, just rest in your experience, exactly as it is. No matter how good our intentions are, life gets busy. When it does, we might be tempted to rush through our commitments and responsibilities just to tick them off our to-do list. In those moments, we're generally not paying attention to how we feel. Instead, we often end up feeling disconnected, When we keep pushing through without taking the time to listen, to tune into our body, we end up tired, frustrated, overwhelmed, or run down. This simple practice of turning towards our sensations not only allows us to be fully present, it also teaches us to pay attention, to notice the small things. The more we practice this, the better we become at noticing when something is off. If we listen, we will notice that our bodies are constantly sharing messages with us. So rather than disregarding them, let's turn towards them. In the next few days, why not take a few conscious moments to pause in your busy schedule? Take a few deep breaths and tune into your body's sensations. And if something is telling you to slow down or to pay closer attention, give yourself permission to do just that. Now, take a few deep breaths. And as you bring yourself back into the room, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. See you again soon.